Hello everyone, I am Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphologymadesimple, and in this video we are learning about letter C. So letter C help us know how much comfortable does a writer feel outside their comfort zone in front of new people, okay, new strangers or new environments, outside their comfort zone. So letter A is the opposite letter of letter C. Letter A was all about home, how much comfortable writer feel at home. Letter C is the opposite, how much comfortable writer feel outside their home. Now, there are some formations which are similar to letter A. Let's see. As you can observe here, extended C is present. Similarly, you may have learned about letter A as well. Extended letter A, which we have studied before. So, extended A showed us that writer is someone who is lazy at their home. Similarly, these are the writers who are lazy socially. So they don't take work seriously. They don't talk with people in a serious manner, new people in a serious manner, right? So they are not serious in a social situation. Similarly, we have learned about the squeezed A as well. Similarly, here the squeezed C is present. So these are the writers who are not feeling comfortable outside their comfort zone. These are the writers who are socially anxious. Because of that, they have some problem in communicating with new people, new environments. So they will feel little isolated or feel alone. Other than that, you may not find other types of C. Yet sometimes you may find this type of C. So these are the writers who overthink situations. So if something has happened, something bad has happened, or even good has happened, they'll keep thinking about it instead of letting it go. As the new environment is new, people are new, they keep overthinking. Was that serious? Was that do that person like me or not? So they will keep thinking some social situations again and again instead of just letting it go. Okay. Well, these are the writers who do feel socially comfortable, yet they don't open up to new people. So they feel comfortable, they can speak in front of everyone or talk with new people, yet they are not going to open up fully with those people who they are talking with. Okay, even with environments. These are the writers E. These are the writers who hold grudges about whatever someone has said to them. So if someone has criticized them in social situation, new person, then they will keep thinking about it. Oh, that person did good to me. I should take revenge like that. They will keep holding grudges about whatever has happened in social situation. So the ideal C is just the normal C. You don't have to have any extra curve, any big gap or any less gap, okay, or any extra extension. And letter E, you should write it as CSC, not like letter E. These are the writers who feel comfortable socially. They are someone who can talk with new people. They are someone who are not socially anxious, instead can interact with new people, new strangers, and feel comfortable in a new environments. Okay, so that's a small, I believe you got to learn about letter C. That's a small introduction or knowledge about letter C. So that's all for this particular video. I believe you learned something new. If you want to learn more, you can learn from here. You can take notes from here. Okay, so that's all. Letter C is the opposite letter of letter A, and letter A is about home. Letter C is about the social life. Letter A help us know how much comfortable writer feel in their comfort zone. Letter C help us know how much comfortable writer feel outside their comfort zone. That's the difference. Rest many formations remain same in both letters. So once again, that's all. Thank you for watching. Let's keep learning. Let's keep growing.